I think direct relief is one of the best kept secrets in Santa Barbara. Here's this organization that started off after World War II, trying to help people recover from the war in Europe, and has grown into this thing that now responds to every disaster in the world. When the Haiti earthquake hit, they happened to have had, because of the research that they do ahead of time, a pod on the ground at Port-au-Prince. So they had IV fluids in the hospital within an hour of the earthquake, which is just remarkable.
Be it in Nepal, be it in Bangladesh, be it in Guatemala, you name it, he's there, making it happen, just as his team makes it happen. Oh, Thomas, how far we have come since you joined us 19 years ago. Back then, we were Direct Relief International, serving medical aid to 60 countries and with medical aid of about $82 million. Fast forward to now, we are in about 100 countries and all 50 states and all U.S. territories, providing $1.2 billion worth of aid. And particularly with the debris flow, I've seen Thomas and his team really stepping up and asking our first responders,
"What do you need?" And they said, "We need vehicles." And they went out and purchased vehicles. These little ATVs to get around and rescue people and do recovery. Amazing.
Thomas, thank you for the many years of inspiration, vision, leadership, for the smarts that you have. For me, on a very personal level, what we've created to serve the neighborhood clinics all across the country is just an amazing model.
10 years ago, our U.S. programs did not exist. And through some board members, from listening to people in our community, Thomas said, why not do it? It took getting certified as a pharmacy in all 50 states.
We're sending medicines now on an everyday basis to clinics all across our country, these clinics that serve the people who are suffering the most in the United States. And we're going to expand to eventually be able to support every neighborhood clinic, free clinic in the United States, and we're almost there.
The partnership that Thomas and his team always fosters with our partners, which is we're there to serve you. You know what you need. You know what is best for your clients and your patients. And we're there to serve you in making that a reality.
Direct Relief has been so instrumental to particularly federally qualified health centers in many ways. For the Santa Barbara neighborhood clinics, they helped us in making sure that our Goleta Medical and our Goleta Dental Clinic were equipped and had supplies, and they continue to do that for all the rest of our medical and dental clinics, being able to afford Santa Barbara neighborhood clinics to have state-of-the-art equipment and to be able to provide our patients with things that we wouldn't normally be able to give them in medications, free of charge. We would not be able to do what we've done without the help and the support of Direct Relief, who is so instrumental.
Thank you, Thomas and Direct Relief!
Thomas, because of your thought leadership and your dedication to the medically underserved in this country, Direct Relief has partnered with the National Association to help us build a healthy America, one person at a time.
We are so grateful for you and Direct Relief, Thomas, and congratulations on this award. It's much deserved. You embody leadership, dedication, and compassion for those in need.
Thank you, Direct Relief!
Tom, thank you for your extraordinary leadership and sensibility.
Thomas, the work that you do is unbelievable, And thank you, and congratulations on receiving this recognition.
We'd like to thank Direct Relief for the many years of support and services provided to our community and our patients.
We would also like to thank you for always being there in times of disaster needs.
Congrats to Tom.
Thank you.
We actually get these wonderful protective glasses in case of emergency. And for us, that's a big deal. Hurricane relief, the severe weather issues, and then getting the replenishment of the Direct Relief pharmacy supplies. Congratulations to Thomas and the Direct Relief team. We are so proud to be part of your support network.
Because of the vision of Thomas T., we have been able to continue our mission, vision, and goals of providing unfettered access to high-quality primary care, free from stigma and discrimination, and without regard to ability to pay.
You're a force multiplier. You're a great person. I can't tell you how much I am grateful for your help and who you are and what you represent.
Thank you, Thomas and Direct Relief.
Thank you to your wonderful team, and this is a much-deserved award.
We love you, Direct Relief.
He jumped in his car and drove himself with all his supplies up to give us a hand and bring us what we needed in our time of crisis. Thank you, Thomas, with all my heart.
Thank you, Direct Relief.
We're always there, and Direct Relief does it without a lot of fanfare, and Thomas Ty has been our leader.
When I think about Thomas, I just have so much respect and admiration for him. He's the most compassionate, selfless person I've ever met, and he's just incredibly tireless. He works nonstop, and he never complains, and he never really looks for any accolades. He's really so humble.
Thank you from the millions of people whom we'll never know that have been provided the aid that you have so generously and thoughtfully provided.
It's just absolutely amazing to see the photos of you on the ground delivering all this stuff to places in need. Thank you.
Thomas, congratulations on receiving the Healthcare Heroes Award from the Santa Barbara Neighborhood Clinics. As you receive this well-deserved honor, I'm glad to join everyone in attendance to thank you for the life-changing work that you and Direct Relief do every single day. Whenever and wherever disaster strikes, you're always there to provide essential medical supplies, to save lives and help communities begin their path to recovery. I'm so proud of the work Direct Relief and the Clinton Foundation have done together to help people affected by Hurricanes Irma and Maria in Puerto Rico, Hurricane Dorian in the Bahamas, the Haiti earthquake, the opioid crisis in the U.S., and the Ebola epidemic in West Africa. Every single time, I am amazed and inspired by Direct Relief's effectiveness in getting aid quickly to people who need it most. I'm also very grateful for your innovative and comprehensive approach to healthcare delivery, from solarizing medical centers to delivering medications by drones. So congratulations again. And most of all, thanks for all your good work, your great partnership, and best wishes for much more to come.